Late afternoon algebras. It's Mr. Jeffries. 5th period. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, with the bell. All right. So, what? Yeah, you could get a piece of paper. Oh, the paper from yesterday. Where was yours from yesterday? Wait, did I not turn this in to give these out? I didn't.
My dog ate it.
All right, so maybe we might have this all straightened out now. Okay, so remember, you get to have an orange sheet. All right, I would try to do anything you could to get this in. All right, so function, this one is a quadratic. And the reason why is this little thing right here. If it looked something like this, this would be absolute value. Okay, it's really going to be one of those two. All right, it's really going to be one of those two. All right, so A is going to be between, is just right after this. So this is 5. Or H, remember it's the opposite. This is -2, so we write 2. 6. Okay. Did I count something wrong again? Hang on a second. All right. Good thing I was marking them, but not really taking a grade on them. All right. So, number 2. Number 2. Whatever is right here, it's probably going to be an absolute value thing. You're going to take whatever this is. I'm pretty sure you're going to be adding 4. Okay, because it's easier for me to change this number that I circled. Alright, now you have to put all of that in there, but that's how it works out. Alright. Are we good with 1 and 2? Okay. Alright. This is where people had some mistakes. It's alright. It's been a hot minute. A is going to be here. H, remember, is the opposite. So instead of +1, it's -1. And this goes in the middle. Or H goes here. Alright. And K is whatever is written. H is the only one that's backwards. It's weird. This is okay. Now, if you need help with the X or Y's on the exam, let me know. Alright? We can probably step through it. Now, this is where people were having some issues. This right here, this is 1A. Well, 1A is 1 times 2, which is 2. So I'm actually going to add that right here. So -4 plus 2 is -2. Alright. And then these two are 3A. So I'm going to add 6 and get 4 here. Alright. Now, this whole chart is 5 points each. That means that like each one of these boxes is 1/2. Usually what people miss the most are, you know, the Y's on the bottom with the 1A and 3A. So, you know, you have to miss 2 things to miss a whole point. So, all right, go to number 3. All right. All right, number 4. All right, C. Remember, this is ax squared plus bx plus c. So C is going to be right here. And then B. Did I really just write C right there? Alright, so this is 12. Alright, so because this is positive, our signs are the same. Because this is positive, they're both positive. Okay? Now, number 5. AC, so this is 2 times 4, or negative 4, which is negative 8. Okay? So we have to tell ourselves what are the factors of negative 8 that combine to give us negative 7. Okay? Tells us our this, because it's negative 8. Negative 8 tells us signs are different, and the bigger factor is negative because of negative 7. Now, I'm just writing that out there. You don't have to answer that part. All right, when it says the box, this is what all you have to do for the box. You know, A goes here, C goes here, and then our factors. Well, factors of negative 8, it gives us some negative 1. Well, that'd be negative 8 and positive 1. Alright, so this right here, this is all you really have to do that I've circled in red, because it's 4 points for the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I forgot how to get these other things off, so, but just those four instances. Alright. Are we good with 5, 4, and 5? Anybody need more time for the 7 people that are in here? Alright. I think a lot of people may have missed this one because you may have copied something down from like your orange sheet wrong or something. Remember, I squared is negative 1. So my answer should be 5i. That 5 looks weird. Okay. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to multiply top and bottom by I. This is going to give you an I squared. You multiply whatever number that is by change it to negative 1. Alright. On number 7, all you have to do are these two same terms. But the opposite sign right here. And that's it. Alright. That's it. That's all you got to do. You don't have to multiply anything. Just what I'm trying to do is cover all the material that we've covered since August, but since I focus so much on the concept of like how to do it, I think this serves as a better exam other than making you answer 20 problems or 25 problems for an exam. Because if you don't know how to set them up, you don't know how to answer them. And we only have so many that you have to answer. Alright, so combine like terms. So this is 8 x cubed minus 5x cubed, which is 3x cubed. This is negative 2x squared plus 6x squared plus 4x squared plus 4x minus 2x, which is 2x. Okay. So this is our answer. Is anybody else hearing like?
I'm hearing wicked.
Is it wicked?
That is wicked.
All I know, I heard like woo. It sounds like the what is that thing that they used? It's like a theremin or something that does like the techno sound that they used to do the Star Trek thing. Woo, that kind of thing. That's what I thought I'm hearing. Yeah, I think it's called a theremin or a theremin. Wait, why did I write that down twice? 8's down there. Oh well, potato, potato. We'll just fix that, shall we? All right. Remember, the opposite of this goes here. All our big numbers go up here. Headset's falling. 2, negative 11, 13, negative 44. All right. So, our first one, drop it like it's hot. Okay, 5 times 2 is positive 10. All right, negative 11 plus 10 is negative 1. Now I'm hearing something else. That's not supposed to be 6. That's supposed to be 5. What?
Where would we get 10 from? Oh, 5 times.
5 times 2 is 10. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5.
Okay.
All right, and now here's who's hearing that.
I don't know, man.
Okay, listen.
Who's talking about?
I was like, man.
The original Wicked one, I have no. I don't listen.
I was like,
I'm a straight white man. I do not listen.
I was like,
It's a chaperone, like a real man. Hey, you got a problem with that, Clay? I'm not listening to chaperone.
hey. All right, so this is now because we started with a 3. This is now squared minus 1x. You could write negative minus 1x or just negative x is fine. Plus 8 remainder negative 4. All right. I was like, wow, what kind of mushrooms do they put in that stew? What? No, when I was hearing things, that's what I was thinking.
That's what you're calling me out.
No.
Makes me angry.
All right. So that was number 9. We're getting closer to getting done. All right. Now, this is where I messed up and counted one right and one wrong. All right. The cube, this, we want x right here. B is going to be whatever this is and take the cube root. Well, the cube root of 216 is 6.
Shepard, you should come over here and play some geometry max on the crappy version.
Wow.
I want to play the good version. The version on the phone is so much better.
Well.
This version is so exciting. It makes me angry. I think my lung is collapse.
If your lung collapsed, we would know because you'd be gasping for air.
I'm dying. Last time I was dying. a gay guy named Dickie.
Hmm.
Like, while I thought I was dying, a gay guy named Dickie. I love Dickie. I miss that guy. It was like the only part about Joe Wheeler I miss is Dickie.
Where's Dickie now?
I don't know, probably so he doesn't do that. He works at Solaris.
All right, so basically what we do, we take the opposite of this, plug it in everywhere we see X, plug in the calculator. All right. This, if it gives us a 0, it's a yes. Anything other than 0, no.
He sold me a lace at $20. The gay guy. Like, I love him. He's like the coolest gay guy ever. Dickie. I call him Dick Cheese. Dickie. But he's like the most flamboyant thing. But
That,
he's like so cool.
that isn't 0.
What?
All right, I'm sorry, I was doing math teaching. Okay, so,
Sort of was doing my job when you're talking about
yeah, sorry. But, all right. So, that is number 11, and we're almost done, right? Yo! All right, so, where people made the mistake yesterday is this. We were supposed to subtract 2 first. Okay. Oh my gosh. And a lot of people divided. In my mind, I think I didn't mean to put the plus in there because when I was doing the key, I didn't even see the plus. So that was, something crazy. So we cube. So this gives us 2x minus 3 equals, see, 8 to the third. Okay. 512. I had so many people that be unsure about themselves. They answered this yesterday with question marks. Like they gave me the right answer, but they were like question marks like, is it really right? Yes, you were here, but you were asleep half the time. All right, so what was that? So 515 divided by 2. All right, so 257.5. All right, and that's our exam. So don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Please, for everything that's good with the universe, make good choices. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.